Hey guys, I recently had the issue of, in my magnetic clock, the dials, when I would turn it, it seemed like the spring would wind up and like get tight and then suddenly just spring back and turn without me actually turning that piece. So after some research and some thinking, I found it was this in here. See that little piece of plastic right in there? That's what is stopping the spring. So when you turn it, it catches on there, depending on which way. Let's say this way, so it would wind up and then it would like jump. So wind up and jump. So that's where the problem was. So what you need to do to fix it is get rid of that. So after you take your clock apart, I use a screwdriver to get rid of that little plastic piece, just by scraping it away. So you can see it's going away. And this one, just to scrape back and forth. Also, I've been using a wood burning or plastic engraving tool, which I had, and I just make sure it's on low heat so you don't melt through the plastic. But I would just smooth it out that way. And you're just trying to make it flat so it's like the other ones. It doesn't have to be perfect or it looks super nice, because you'll never see that. Once you think you got it good, test it by taking a spring, putting it in there and turning. See, mine's still catching. Make sure there's some tension on the spring, because that's how it is when you put the clock together. So that feels pretty good. It's stuck on the first one, but looks pretty good. I think I'll do it just a bit more, just to make sure. So this one is finished. So, and here's another one. See, so it goes from that to that, and it'll definitely work a lot better. So then you can just assemble your clock and test it to see if it works. Make sure, if it's magnetic, just be careful putting it back together, and you probably want to lube it if it's apart anyway. So thanks for watching. Josh from thecornercutterpodcast.com. Bye.